What's going on, traders, and welcome back to the bull ring. What a day it is. The market is going down. The market is going down. Check this out. Before I start out, guys, I want to show you what is going on with AVGO. Look at that cloud. The cloud turned red and it continues to fall. But how much? This is how much. I'm going to move you over to the day time frame. Look at that. Okay, now look at my sell signal right there, guys. Okay, I got a sell signal. I started a short position today right around here with AVGO, and I'm going to tell you why, guys, because charts don't lie. Okay, now I'm going to take you over to the weekly time frame, and guess what we have on the weekly time frame, guys? Yes, look at that. Sell signal on the weekly time frame. Check that out. Okay, so we are starting to pull back, and again, this is healthy for the market, guys. So if you're interested in AVGO, know that this big candle needs to get filled. All right, now let's take a look at Nvidia, who is the talk of the town, guys. Everybody thought it was going to keep going up, but it is starting to correct, which again, it's normal. This is healthy. How much is it going to correct? Well, let's check this out, guys. This line here we talked about, right? Nvidia found support here and it broke that support. Now, we talked in the previous videos, we have support here at 126. We broke it. We have support here at 119 and it already broke it in the after hours. I could see Nvidia at 106, guys, then down around the 100 area and maybe even more. Why? Because this thing needs to correct. Okay, if you guys don't understand what these gaps are all these candles, okay, whenever you see a stock, just zoom up. There is orders that did not fill. Okay, that's what happens when you get gaps. Orders did not fill. They went right past the orders. Okay, now people are selling off. They're taking profit. Just imagine you bought Nvidia when it was at 475, okay, way down there, and then it went to 1300. People are selling off. Okay, that's normal. It's called a pullback. Now, what's the most important part you need to know about the market right now? In my opinion, we only need to focus on these four stocks, guys. Look at that. Okay, this is the weekly chart. Sell signal, sell signal, and sell signal for SPX. Okay, and Microsoft is very close. Look at that top wick on the weekly. It's being rejected, all-time high. Okay, might see Microsoft join everybody tomorrow. Okay, we have lots of sell signals going on, and if you guys are interested in this indicator, I've added a feature to the ultimate indicator, guys, and it's this early sell, okay, early buy, okay, or if you're already in a cloud, it shows you when the buying power is coming in super hard, and I'm going to give you a buy and sell signal, guys. Okay, this works if you join the bull ring and get coaching. You don't just take an indicator and do it on your own. Okay, but these are the four stocks that you need to keep an eye on, guys. Okay, let's check out one more thing. All right, this is the put to call ratio equities, guys. This is what measures what's being bought the most. Is it puts? So when this goes up, they're buying a lot of puts. Okay, when it goes down, they're buying lots of calls. Okay, so if you were a market maker and you saw people buying a lot of calls, okay, what would you do? Let the price go up? No way. You're gonna have the price go down so that you don't pay for all those calls. And look at what's been going on with this indicator, guys. Okay, take it from here. I'm going to give you a sharper arrow here. Check this out. Okay, we'll just go from here to here. I mean, this has been dropping. The calls are going up. So when it goes down, that means they're buying more calls and puts. Okay, so what are the market makers going to do with the price? Okay, they're going to take it down. So just memorize this here, as when it goes down, the price goes down. When it goes up, the price goes up. Okay, puts go up, they're going to go ahead and let people take the calls, and they're just going to move that market so that they don't have to pay for options, guys. So now we have a downtrend, which means we're buying a lot of calls. That means they're going to take the price down with it. Okay, don't forget, this tells you where the price is going. So on the daily, you see it's just been decreasing, which means less puts, more calls, the price is going down. So another bearish signal. And here we have NASDAQ, guys, the US index 100 sell signal. Last time we had a sell signal, we went 1, 2, 3, almost 4 weeks we went down. Okay, so we could see it right around there, guys. So this is happening. And here we have, guys, the Russell 2000 on the weekly sell signal. Yep, this is happening. And of course, we have to mention Google, guys. Okay, sell signal as well on the weekly. Let it go. Let that arrow go. So we got a sell signal with these guys too, and they're pretty big market cap. So this is happening. And last but not least, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification button. Again, last but not least, we have QQQ sell signal on the weekly. Okay, how far will they take it down? So we are bearish. Okay, be careful with your entries. If you don't know how to hedge, hit me up, guys. I've got free courses. If you want to pay for the beginner courses, I'll leave you a subscription below, but I do have beginner free courses here on the channel. Okay, I'm also opening up one free course on the paid courses at my website. So if you're interested, go to the beginner courses and click on the very first course. I've opened it up and it's free, guys. Until the next time, have a green day tomorrow.